everyone. Good day, Mr. Jeffrey Raguro, our professor in Management Information System. This is Rosel Salditas from HMS 1D. The first question is, what are the principal components of telecommunication networks and key networking technologies? Yan yung image na nilagay ko. The principal components of telecommunication network include computers, switches, and PCs. The server has NOS and NIC, whereas the rest of PC in a simple network are equipped with NIC only. Such simple network is working on a basis of peer-to-peer technology. In such a way of simple network can be connected to other network, and the internet of the other hand, and the network infrastructure for a large company will be more complex. Describe the picture of a simple network and the network infrastructure technologies. A simple network consists of two or more connected computers. Basic networks include computers, network interfaces, a connection medium, network operating system software, and either a hub or a switch. The networking infrastructure for a large company includes the traditional telephone system, a corporate websites, intranets, extranets, and an array of local and wide area network. The wide area network is one, including the internet. The next is, name and describe the principal technologies and trends that have shaped contemporary telecommunication system. Contemporary networks have been shaped by the rise of client, server, computing, the use of packet switching, internet protocol, or the TCP and IP as a universal communication standard by linking disparate networks and computers including the internet. Protocols provide a common set of rules that enable communication among diverse components in a telecommunication network. Client-server computing has extended to network departments, work groups, factory floors, and other parts of the business that could not be served by a centralized architecture. The internet is based by a centralized computing. Packet switching technology allows nearly full use of almost all available lines and capacity. This was not possible with the traditional dedicated circuit switching techniques that were used in the past. TCP and IP is a suite of protocols that has become the dominant standard of network communications. What are the two types of networks? Ano nga ba yung two types ng network? The network can be differentiated on the basis of the type of signal they use. The modem in a network is to operate and transform analog and digital signals. Yan. Types of computer network, which is LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. Ang LAN is local area network. Ang MAN is metropolitan area network, and the WAN is wide area network. Ipapaliwanag natin sa next. Define an analog and digital signal. Analog is transmitted from modem to another modem through cables. Yun yung analog, yung ginagamit before. Yan, wala siyang. Ang digital signal yung isa yung may para siyang square type, which is yung may on and off siya, yung 0, it is on, and then the 1 is off. Distinguish between a LAN, MAN, and a WAN. There are local area networks, which is LANs, and wide areas networks. However, in a large perspective, depending on the scope of usage and particular networks. There are also metropolitan area networks and campus area network, which is CANs. Local area network include internet and the client server versus peer-to-peer, where the latter two networks are used for simple and corporate networks. Yan, didistinguish natin kung ano nga ba yung nagkakaiba ng LAN, MAN, and then the WAN. The LAN is a group computers and networks devices connected together, usually within the same building. Yun. Yan, may image ako. Ayan yung mga LAN. Yung nasa gilid, yung may mga computer. MAN is a larger network that usually spans several buildings in the same city or the town. Yun yung nasa gitna, yun yung mga MAN. One is a comparison to MAN is not restricted to a geographically location, although it might be confined within the bounds of a state or country. Example nung one is the internet. Ngayon, balik tayo kay LAN. A LAN connection is a high-speed connection to a LAN. On the IUB campus, most connections are either internet or fast internet, and a few locations have internet connections. A MAN is a large network. Yun nga, yung MAN yung malaki na network na kaya mag-gather yung isang buong city or town. Ang example nga nun is IUB network. Ang WAN is, yun, kung compare siya sa mas restricted yung geographically location niya compare kay MAN. Yun, WAN connects several LANs and may be limited to an enterprise, a corporation or organization, and accessible to the public. The technology is high speed, relatively expensive, and the internet is an example of worldwide public one. Yun. Mas high speed siya compare sa LAN pati sa MAN. Pero mas mahal siya, kumbaga mas expensive siya compare dun sa dalawa. Define hertz and bandwidth. Hertz is a unit frequency of change in state or cycle in a sound wave, alternating current or other cyclical waveform. If 1 cycle per second, it replaces the earlier term of cycle per second. Yan. Sa bandwidth is a measure that as the amount of data that can be transferred from one point to another within a network in a specific amount of time. Typically, bandwidth is expressed as a bit rate and measured in bits per second. The term bandwidth refers to the transmission capacity of a connection and is an important factor when determining the quality and speed of a network or the internet connections. And that's all. Thank you.